Poppy, you got it? Aye, go. Come on, go get Poppy, Moy. Go get Poppy. Go on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, pick up. Come on, come on. Get him. Get him, boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Let it go. Get ball. Get ball, Moy. Get ball. Go get ball, Moy. Go get ball. Bring ball back. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes, you're a clever girl. Oh, you fell. Oh, tackled you. You ready? Get Poppy, Moy. Get Poppy. Go on. Bring it back, baby. Come on. Good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Clever girl.
By those who are organising this summer's Olympic Games, because like it or not, the border controls here are the very first taste of Britain for millions of visitors, and if that taste includes an experience of up to 3 hours queuing, well, it's likely to be a very sour and off-putting taste, isn't it? And we've been hearing fears expressed that it's already damaging the UK's economy.
Come on, baby. Come on. Good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Ready? Here's Poppy. Here's Poppy. Get Poppy. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Well done.
So these numbers do not look good. What's the Home Office saying about it tonight?